everybody back up on their headsets. All right, welcome back aboard. Ready to go.
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curves, flattening the hills. Someday the mountain might get 'em, but the law never will. Making their way the only way they know how. That's just a little bit more than the law will allow. Just a good old boy, they wouldn't change if they could. In the system like a true modern-day Robin Hood.
Shortly, we'll begin our journey back to Las Vegas. Our route will take us out of the canyon, over many interesting geological features, more of Lake Mead, and the finale, a flight down the world-famous Las Vegas Strip.